Iru Tamil movie summary. An elderly Malaysian man goes berserk and kills several Indian officers in a span of 5 minutes at the Indian embassy in Kuala Lumpur before collapsing. A tattoo of a love symbol is present at the back of his neck, leading our agency to conclude that it is the handiwork of a rogue transgender scientist named Love, whose identity and whereabouts are unknown to anyone except their retired agent OMM Behura. 4 years ago, while on an assignment to bust Naman, OMM's wife Yashaswini was killed by them. DRA operative Malik tracks down OMM and convinces him to join the investigation. On viewing the video footage of the attack, OMM concludes that the elderly Malaysian man had taken a mysterious performance-enhancing drug which allowed him to attack the Indian officials and decides to investigate the matter further in Malaysia. Since OMM is under suspension, Malik assigns him as a deputy to a junior RAW agent named Ayushi Dash, and the two of them leave for Kuala Lumpur. At Kuala Lumpur, OMM and Ayushi learn that the mysterious drug is inhaled using an asthma inhaler. Further investigations leads them to Peter, a scientist who is on Naman's payroll. Peter becomes an informer and tells them about the drug called Speed. The drug causes a person who inhales it to have extraordinary strength for 5 minutes before falling unconscious, and if the person inhales the drug again within a few hours, they will suffer a massive heart attack. Peter also reveals that a shipment of Speed inhalers is to be dispatched to Naman within the next 15 minutes. OMM and Ayushi pursue the lorry carrying the inhalers, but a lorry driver inhales Speed and subdues the duo, where they are then taken to Naman's hideout. OMM goes to arrest Naman, but is knocked out by Yashaswini, who is still alive and has been working for Naman as a computer hacker by the name Yashu. It is then revealed that Yashaswini suffers from retrograde amnesia after being attacked 4 years ago, and that Naman took advantage of her situation to employ her as a computer hacker to create an impenetrable firewall. However, when Naman orders Yashaswini to kill OMM and Ayushi, she points the gun at Naman and calls the police, who arrests him. Yashaswini reveals that she had been forced to take Speed by Naman to work faster, but the drug caused her to regain old memories, including those with OMM. Yashaswini had soon regained her full memory after continuous use of the drug. While in custody, Naman manages to obtain a Speed inhaler and inhales it, helping her escape and destroy the entire police station, killing Ayushi and everyone present. Ayushi had recorded the whole incident by using a Bluetooth camera. OMM finds out that Love had made a satellite call to Chung, the transport minister of Malaysia, who had allowed Naman to send shipments of Speed inhalers to India to perpetrate terror attacks there in return for money. OMM rushes to the hospital, where Chung is admitted and interrogates him. During the interrogation, Naman sneaks into the hospital and, hiding in the air conditioning vent, sprays a neurotoxic gas in Chung's room, causing OMM and Chung to get paralyzed. Naman then kills Chung and puts the knife on OMM's hand, framing him as Chung's assassin. OMM and Yashaswini are declared fugitives, but the duo manages to escape from the Malaysian police. OMM and Yashaswini decide to finish off Naman using her kill switch activation device, which had been restored and hidden by Ayushi before she was killed. As the device can only be opened with Naman's fingerprint, they plan on obtaining her fingerprint. They sneak into an illegal airfield owned by Chung, where Naman is planning to leave for India with the shipments of Speed inhalers. OMM inhales Speed and fights Naman, who has also inhaled Speed, and manages to get her fingerprint before collapsing after the drug effect wears off. On regaining consciousness, OMM finds out that Naman has already left for India. It is shown that OMM used silica gel to get Naman's fingerprints. OMM then uses the fingerprints to open the kill switch activation device, deactivates Yashaswini's kill switch and kills all of Naman's henchmen, including those piloting the plane. The plane crashes into a remote jungle, killing Naman and destroying the Speed shipments. A few weeks later, OMM and Yashaswini are enjoying a holiday cruise on a private boat, sponsored by the government of Malaysia, as a reward for killing Naman. It is revealed that OMM had secretly kept a speed inhaler.